Jobs with daily payment. 14 websites to earn instantly. In today's video, we will look at 14 websites that will pay you daily for completing easy activities. If you are interested in that, be sure to watch the entire video, because we will walk you through the various websites and explain what you can do and how much money you might be able to make from them. Welcome to the channel, Finance Director. If you are a new visitor, you may expect to learn more about making money online on this channel, because we frequently share material on the subject. Please think about subscribing to join our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us get right to the video without spending any more time. Therefore, the first website will pay you for creating content. The good news is that this is accessible to everyone, and that experience or something like it is not valued. They just have a few specifications. In order to use this platform, you must register and write 1,500-word articles. They will review your articles, and if they want to publish them, they will pay you $5 for each one that is accepted. And the good news is that this platform allows you to publish as many articles as you desire. Therefore, we believe that if you are a skilled writer, create unique content, fact-check, and do all of that, you may make very big money using our platform each and every month. Consequently, it is known as Wunderlist and may be found at Wanderlist.com. This platform that we can see on the screen is called Wanderlist. As you can see, there are various categories in which you can write. You can write about people, animals, travel, the wealthiest oddballs, and more, so as to identify the chances. You will need to scroll down to the website's footer, but first, as you can see, there is a sports item here. Most of the articles we have found on this site are about the top 10 lists. Similar to top 10 most wealthy women, top 10 autistic K-pop idols, and top 10 most beautiful women in the world. You can write for this site and receive payment if you can create unique, original content like a top 10 list or something similar. So to find opportunities, scroll to the bottom of the page where you may see us directly, and you will see all the guidelines for article submission, among other things. Now that they have shown you that, you will receive $5 for each post you write for Wunderlist. Let us talk about the advantages of doing so. As a contributor to each article, you will be acknowledged, and you can join their talented team of writers. This is the first website you should check out, because they pay you via PayPal. You will also get paid for simple activities on the second website. The excellent thing about this platform is that they also provide a free course for you to take so you can learn how to use the tasks so you do not input blindly. The website in question is named Rainbow Task. As you can see, they also mention working from home while performing internet duties. Over 240,000 people receive monthly payments for performing various activities utilizing this site, which has a large number of taskers. They spent nearly $15 million US. Now, let us examine the third website. There are simple activities for you to complete on this platform, which is another one that is simple to use and accessible to everyone. The platform is known by the term Insta-GSE. You can perform easy chores like viewing movies, browsing the web, shopping online, and completing online surveys. Trust us, these also work. Let us take a look at website number 4, which is Global Network for Freelancers. The fact that there are several oversaturated freelance platforms is one thing we are aware of. It is true that there are opportunities and that there is still a need for people to do duties. But because so many individuals are looking for possibilities on such platforms, things get incredibly difficult. Truelancer is the moniker of the platform. It is a freelance platform where you may submit applications for a variety of basic projects in a variety of categories, including IT and programming, graphic design and multimedia, writing content and translation, data entry, and more. You can use this platform to earn money by performing basic jobs that are well-paying or highly paying. The platform that follows is one that we now adore. It will honor you and pay you for evaluating various websites and apps. Not only that, but they recently started doing online surveys, and these surveys pay quite well and are accessible to anybody in the world. It is known as User Feel. There are therefore shorter and longer test varieties, and the amount you can make here relies on the test strength, what you are expected to perform, and what you are required to report. You can sign up for this site even if you are searching for much easier activities like surveys. The third one is a platform that is accessible everywhere and offers excellent income. They have a number of chances, notably ones where you can assist in training AI. It is known as Appen. When an opportunity that matches your profile arises, all you have to do is sign up using your email wherever you are. Once you are accepted, you will receive an invitation to the opportunity and instructions on what is required of you. After that, you will be paid for performing the tasks. Thus, this amazing website, which is accessible globally, will pay you each day for performing various tasks. The following platform will pay you more for creating articles because they collaborate with some of the biggest businesses in the globe. Since they will be checking your work to see whether you fit the various brands they want you to write for, you either need to have some experience of some kind or just know how to write really effectively. There are a ton of internet sites where you may learn how to create an article, come up with original material, conduct research, and other things. However, if you can provide quality written content, we believe this platform is worthwhile. It is called ClearVoice, and Fiverr, one of the largest freelance platforms on the planet, recently purchased it. You get to interact with clients, land better assignments, develop your brand, set your own prices, and get paid swiftly. You can get paid via PayPal after an assignment. This is a different website to look at if you want to get paid for producing quality articles. Let us have a look at another platform that, in our opinion, is expanding and will be worthwhile in 2023 if you want to succeed financially. It is known as Sproutgig. As you can see, this platform is expanding, and they claim that this is where the world operates. It is an online marketplace that links freelancers and business owners with simple, affordable tasks from all around the world. The following platform is one that is currently expanding. There are numerous tasks you may complete on this website to make real money. It is called TimeBucks, and it is accessible from anywhere. It is not a horrible platform at all, and yep, it is accessible everywhere. Do register and take a look around. The following platform will pay you for actually listening to audio and inputting what you hear in it. You do not need to think up ideas, try to come up with anything, or even figure anything out. All you need to do is listen to the audio and type what you hear. Your website is called Scribble. It is a platform for transcribing. To locate opportunities, you will work as a freelancer here. You will need to scroll to the bottom of the page to view Freelancer in order to sign up. All you need is decent English language understanding and listening skills. The following platform has been established for many years, yet it continues to compensate freelancers from all walks of life for freelance work and communication. The platform's primary focus is on language and supporting various businesses and localizing their platforms and products. Their businesses in the nations where they have offices or are headquartered. It is known as the Lion Breed. To join up for LandBridge, go to their website's bottom and scroll down until you see Join Our Team. To see the kinds of employment in which you are interested, scroll down a little. You can just choose if you are interested in translating or something else. View the various project categories in which you can join and the various nations where these projects are offered. Now we are going to look at the first chance or website. The first spot is saved for the last, and the reason for that is that this one really astounded us. It is known as Free Money. The platform offers excellent potential for increased financial gain. On the task pages or offers page, you can see how the various tasks are organized, and they also display the potential earnings for each activity. They display your potential earnings per work, which is incredibly excellent and motivating. If you have not already, think about signing up for free cash right away. This concludes the video for today, gentlemen. We sincerely hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and like, share, and do so. We appreciate you watching.